Nobody has any time to think about you, to make judgments about you, to ridicule you. They don't have time, they're busy with their own stuff. If they get a minute, they're… Where are they looking at you? They're not even looking at you. So, don't bother about what somebody is thinking. What somebody is thinking is their problem, isn't it? Why are you trying to read everybody's mind? You must be concerned, what is the quality of your mind? Don't worry about the quality and content of other people's minds. It's not worth it, I'm telling you. Exploring other people's mind, it's not worth it, there's nothing really worthwhile. If you concern yourself of what should happen in your mind, your life will improve. If you're concerned about what he may be thinking, what she may be thinking, you will go crazy because you don't know what's happening, it's all guesswork. Guesswork will drive you crazy on a daily basis if you do it, isn't it? But anyway, most people are not thinking about you, sorry to disappoint you.